The offshore environment has a number of challenges.
You've obviously got a hostile environment. There's a combination of water and in certain weather conditions. And this can lead to flip-flopping between LTE base stations. And when that happens, it means that the backup connectivity or the alternative path doesn't necessarily deploy. We found that using a combination of strategically placed sectorized antennas on board the rig or platform, in combination with our SD-WAN solution, has had great success in overcoming this problem. And being able to solve this problem becomes more pertinent as we add in new technologies such as LEO into the mix. So I can give you a specific example in the Norwegian sector, the North Sea, where we're providing dedicated line of sight from shore to the platform in conjunction with multiple LTE providers and VSAT, and then we're combining those paths and selecting the most appropriate one, whether it's your application that you're running, whether it's a cost decision, or whether it's a throughput or quality of link decision.
Hybrid connectivity means combining multiple communication paths.
Whether those be LTE, VSAT, different bands, different orbits, microwave line of sight, fiber, or the new batch of LEO services. And we want to deliver those seamlessly and in the most reliable way possible. And we can automatically switch between them, ensure the most cost-effective and reliable connectivity regardless of where you are. And we want to deliver the highest quality of service, and we'll use technologies like SD-WAN and our own Speedcast TrueBeam technology, which is embedded and inherent in our network. Speedcast have developed what we call our unified global mobility platform, and that platform integrates a number of different elements from the device, whether that be the antenna or the dish. It also combines our global network capacity, our dedicated teleport and hub infrastructure, and it'll connect those to IoT processing centers, a multiple of cloud providers, and then we can monitor that through our customer service portals. So that ecosystem, in connection with TrueBeam, our gateway called Sigma, and SD-WAN, automatically transforms many network paths into a reliable wide area network. What our customers are most interested with the move to digitization is to enable a seamless enterprise environment and blur that distinction between onshore and offshore, so you're getting a consistent environment regardless of where you are. And that allows applications to be deployed at the edge and also in the cloud. We want to remove the complexity of managing multiple different communications paths and technologies to deliver the best experience possible.